Hello and welcome to Wind Train Crash Scanner episode 1196.
Wow, what do we have over here?
What we have here is what I painted this myself without even you helping, but you helped did the black lines and I painted it in.
Show me what it says. What's this say up here?
CSXC.
Yeah. What are those two things?
What, these?
No. What is this and that?
Diesels.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh? What do we have over here?
Oh, we do that together, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, what are we going to do today?
Down here's what we have is a very big road, and guess who might jump down?
Lightning McQueen? Or is it Lightning McQueen?
Lightning McQueen.
Oh, ah.
Jump down. Oh, watch this. Baby, 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 baby.
No. Okay, let him roll.
I haven't told you all the trains yet.
Okay.
What we have here is a CSX and a bullet train, but they're going to hit each other.
Really?
And what we have over here is a Santa Fe.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to come to a dead end and wreck itself.
Oh, no. What else?
What we have over here is McBean going to break apart the track.
Uh-oh, what's over there?
What we have over here is an Amtrak and a green double diesel. And they're going to hit each other just like these two.
What else? What do we have over here?
The long train.
It's pretty nice, huh? Oh, what's that big white and brown thing over there?
Morgan.
Morgan the dog. Okay.
And it's going to hit the car. And what we have here is a steam train with no tender.
Oh, yeah.
Hitting the door.
Okay.
And that's all.
Let it rip. Oh, there's no crash there. Oh, he lost his load. Ooh. Oh. Whoa, what a mess. Everybody all right?
Nope.
Okay, what's next?
This one.
Ooh, kaboom. Okay, keep on checking it out.
Watch this. Green, you'll be surprised.
Holy mackerel.
Watch this.
Oh. Oh. Is that
Here's
it?
the big one.
Ooh.
Ding, 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 ding,
Is
ding,
everybody
ding,
all right? What's going on over here? Oh no, there's a car on the track.
And some
That looks
buttons.
like trouble. What's that?
Car. No one.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh. Whoa.
Ow! And another explosion.
Ooh. Mm.
And also for this.
Oh, look out.
Watch this one.
Oh. What a crashin', smashin' time.
And also, happy butt.
Yeah.